By 2030, 800 million jobs will be redefined. But a single AI update today just proved that the real threat isn't displacement, it is invisibility. If your business or career isn't optimized for the new AI discovery layer, you are effectively becoming a ghost in the digital economy. Let me break it all down for you right now. Today is April 20th, 2026, and we just received a massive announcement from the Adobe Summit in Las Vegas that signals a total regime change for the internet. Adobe has officially launched their brand visibility solution, and it is a response to a staggering new statistic. In just the last 12 months, AI-driven traffic to retail and business sites has surged by 269%. Think about that. Consumers are no longer just Googling for products. They are asking AI agents to find, evaluate, and even buy things for them. Adobe is calling this the contextual layer for AI agents. They are integrating innovations across Adobe Commerce and their new LLM optimizer to ensure that when an AI agent looks for a solution, it actually finds yours. Let's dive into the deep analysis of why this matters so much. For 20 years, we lived in the era of search engine optimization, or SEO. You used keywords to rank on page 1 of Google. But in 2026, page 1 is irrelevant, because the AI agent is the one doing the reading. We have moved into the era of AI engine optimization, or AIEO. The technical breakdown is fascinating. Adobe's new tools aren't just for humans. They are designed to be machine-readable at an elite level. They use a contextual layer that feeds high-authority, brand-compliant data directly to the large language models that power agents like ChatGPT and Claude. If the AI doesn't trust your data, it won't recommend you. It is that simple. This is essentially a Hunt brand concierge that acts as a bridge between a company's private data and the public AI brains that everyone is using. Now let's talk about the business and financial impact, because this is where the money is moving. In the stock market, we are seeing a massive downflight to qualities. For companies that own their data, Adobe stock is being watched closely today as they attempt to own the end discovery layers of the AI economy. If they succeed, they become the toll booth for every brand trying to reach a customer through an AI interface. On the flip side, companies that rely on legacy search traffic are in serious trouble. If your business model depends on someone clicking a blue link on a search results page, your revenue is at risk of a slow, painful decline. However, for everyday people and entrepreneurs, this creates a massive new AI side hustle or business service. There is a huge demand right now for AI visibility consultants. People who can help small businesses structure their data so that AI agents actually recommend them. Specifically, we are seeing billions of dollars in enterprise value being reshaped. According to a new global AI Pulse survey from KPMG released today, although 95% of companies have an AI strategy, only 8% are seeing a measurable return on investment. The companies that will profit are the ones shifting from AI pilots to AI orchestration. They are the ones redesigning their entire business to be AI first. How does this affect a regular person living in the USA? It changes how you live and work in 3 very practical ways. First, look at personal shopping. Within 6 months, you won't spend hours comparing reviews for a new laptop. You will tell your personal AI agent your budget and needs, and it will use these new Adobe optimized layers to find the single best deal with the best warranty. Second, in the job market, the high-paying roles are shifting. We are seeing the rise of AI governance specialists and model trainers within marketing departments. These people ensure that the company's digital twin is accurate and persuasive. Third, for small business owners, this is the equalizer. You don't need $1 million ad budget anymore. You just need the best, most structured data. A small, high-quality boutique in Ohio can now be recommended by an AI agent over a national chain, if their data is more authoritative and agent-ready. Now I'm curious, do you think having AI agents act as the middleman for all our purchases is a good thing for privacy? Or are we just handing even more control to big tech? Drop your take in the comments. I actually read every single one. And if you're finding this valuable, you know what to do. That subscribe button is right there, and it genuinely helps this channel keep bringing you these updates for free. Looking into the future, here are my predictions. In the next 6 months, AI engine optimization will become a bigger industry than traditional SEO ever was. Within 1 year, we will see the first major lawsuit where a brand sues an AI company for hiding them from consumers. And in 5 years, the idea of browsing the web will feel as old-fashioned as using a phone book. Here is what you should do right now to stay ahead. First, if you own a business, audit your digital presence for machine readability. Is your data structured, or is it just a mess of images and text? Second, start experimenting with AI agents for your own discovery. See what they recommend and ask them why they chose those brands. you'll start to see the patterns of the new economy. The most valuable asset in 2026 isn't just intelligence, it is visibility in an automated world. The AI wealth gap is being created today by those who understand the new rules of discovery. Don't let your brand or your career become a digital ghost. Stay ahead, stay optimized, and I will see you in the next deep dive into the future of technology.